respective teachers, hardworking school personnel, and PTA officers. I heard they are very cooperative, tama, isang active giya sa mga ato na eskwelahan. Distinguished guest sa ating confirmation officer, kay Dr. Echanova, sa ating mga proud parents and guardians, sa ating mga active na mga barangay officials, ang barangay Tiktik, kag Barasan ST, sa aking mga classmates, Digya, I know nga may giya na nabilong sa batch 83, at subong man sa akong classmates, mga supporter, sa may high school, yes, batch 88. Mga abyan ko, mga pinalangga ng mga ginikanan, kasi Mario Gia sa barangay, ka-estudyante ka mga achievers, most especially our dear graduates, maayong aga sa inyong atagan. Today is a very meaningful day. It is a day filled with joy, pride, gratitude, and hope. We gather not only to celebrate academic completion, but to honor a journey filled with learning, challenges, sacrifices, and growth. Graduation is not about receiving certificate or wearing coveted medals. It is proof that you endured, learned, and persevered despite difficulties. It is a reminder that every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dream. Every homework done, every lesson learned, and every effort made brought you here today. To our school administration and teachers, we offer you our greatest gratitude. You are the pillars of these institution. You guide these children not only in academic, but also in values, discipline, and responsibility. As Proverbs chapter 22 verse 6 reminds us, train up a child in a way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Your teaching is not an easy task. It requires patience, understanding, and love. Yet you choose to serve, to guide, and to believe in every child, even when the child doubted himself or herself. Sa atong mga pinalangga ng mga ginikanan, today is also your victory. Inyo jatilag katalagan. You are the silent heroes behind every graduate. You make sacrifices to your children. Yes, nakantos kita mo para maka-eskwela ang inyong mga kabataan. The success is yours as not as theirs. Sa ato na mga graduates, congratulations! You should be proud of yourself. You began your journey, learning how to read, magbasa, at mag-count. So over the years, you've learned how to think, to solve the problems, and to work with others. Allow me to share with you my journey as a student, and I hope you will be inspired sa akin ng istorya. Sa may istorya na, yan, nakita lang buhay lang mo. Okay. Di naman ako nag-graduate sa eskwelahan nga siya. Pero hindi pa Betis, hindi pa Barasan Tiktik Elementary School, kundi Tiktik Elementary School alone pa lang. And then, ang elementary, may ka-classroom from grade 1 up to grade 6. So before, ang ang Tigtig Elementary School, bali, ang main building, amuran daw ko, hindi ako magsala, amuran dyan ang ginatindigan, ang Ayla, Teti, Subong, nga grade 1 up to grade 6, up to grade 4, sorry. Dako nga nga eskwelahan, mataas, amo na una ang kwantang, kang structure ng eskwelahan, tama, kadako. And my grade 5, grade 6, amo ang Prefab or Marcos Building, nga subong, totally abandoned ang Bali Sir Elmer for safety reason. And then, araman si Gapo ng aton nga HE, diraman ng gatindog, ginamanage ako nakaamang amon nga maestra sa grade 6 na si Ma'am Sinieres nga asa subong buwi pa tanalan din siguro ang nabili niya amon nga maestra. So, ang bilang estudyante, grade 1, grade 2, ano ay patakot mo kay ang buta ang amon siguro sa nanay sa ginikanan kauna daw hindi pagitama kay importante kumpara tilad nga ang estudyante daw nagaling nagsanay lang alakwa kauno ano tamo ko una kung maka-eskwela karon tama rin maka-graduate ka okay rin na sa sunod nga tuig grade 2 ka na tapos sa grade 2